I was an attendee back in 2022, that's 2 years ago, and I'm back here as a keynote speaker. It feels like the same energy is back. I wish I was a student again.
I had a really good time joining GitHub Field Day here in Hyderabad, meeting with different community leaders from around the region, discussing some of their struggles and sharing more about how student leaders, members of the hackathon community and the tech community on the whole can make a difference in the open source space.
This unconference truly built an amazing experience for all the student leaders, having great breakout sessions and discussing about the conflicts in the community, hackathons, discussing their own perspective, giving a diverse idea of what communities are and how we can grow together.
I'm super happy to be here at GitHub Field Day India Hyderabad edition. This is the second one we are hosting in 2024, and I'm personally super excited because I've been to so many field days at this point, hosted 2 of them in India.
I came all the way from Nepal and meeting campus expert of India and networking with a lot of people here, getting to know about the problems and solutions of the communities here. It was an amazing experience. Kudos to the organizers.
I am first time in Hyderabad just for GitHub Field Day, and I'm so excited.
Attending field days has always been a phenomenal experience, life-changing experience. The keynotes, the guest sessions, the panel, everything was fabulously curated.
They are great leaders of their own communities. They told about their different challenges, their different experiences I learned from them. I had my own queries to solve. I connected with all the leads. It was a great event, the food, the swags, everything together.